Question 1. Facility spent 3/10 of her money on a wallet for her father. The total units that she has is 10 units of money. And out of this 10 units, she spent 3 units on a wallet. She then spent 3/7 of the remaining money on a dress for her mother. For this question, we will use the branching method. The total units that she has is 10 units of money. And out of this 10 units, she spent 3 units on a wallet for her father. And the remainder will be 7 units. And out of this 7 units, she spent 3 units on a dress for her mother. And what is left will be 4 units. So this remainder branch, which is 7 units, is branched out to 3 units for dress and 4 units is left. Part A. What fraction of Felicity's money was spent on the dress? Which means what fraction of Felicity's total money was spent? She spent 3 units out of the total 10 units. So that's the answer for part A, 3 out of 10. For part B, if Felicity had $400 left, that means 4 units is $400. How much did she have at first? We need to find 10 units. But let's find 1 unit first. That will be 400 divided by 4. That gives us $100. The total of 10 units will be $100, which is 1 unit times 10. And that gives us $1,000. And that's the answer for part B. Question 2. Caleb withdrew 1/5 of his money to buy a watch. That means the total amount of money he has is 5 units. And 1 unit out of the 5 units is spent on a watch. He then withdrew 1/2, which is half of the remaining money, to purchase a television set. Let's solve this by branching. The total units is 5 units. And out of this 5 units, he spent 1 unit on a watch. And the remainder will be 4 units. He then withdrew half of the remaining money to buy a TV set. So the remainder is 4 units, and half of 4 units will be 2 units. So 2 units is spent on the TV set, and what is left will be 2 units. Part A. What fraction of his money did Caleb spend on the television set? That will be 2 units out of total 5 units. So the answer to part A is 2 out of 5. If Caleb had $1,440 left in his account, that means 2 units is $1,440. How much did the watch cost? So 2 units will be $1,440. We need to find the watch, which cost 1 unit. So 1 unit will be 1,440 divided by 2. That gives us $720. The watch cost $720.